word you have to say is bitch.
Bitch.
The next word you have to say is fuck you.
Fuck you.
The next word you have to say is dick.
Dick, bitch.
Dick.
The next word you have to say is asshole.
Damn.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Can you burp, Patty?
I can't burp really.
The next word you have to say is condom liquor.
Condom looking bitch.
Damn, wait a minute.
Wait 1 second. 1 second. I said condom liquor!
We don't know how to say condom liquor, condom liquor.
You know, fuck you. The next word you have to say is Katie's stupid. Ow!
You're stupid.
Defeat Katie?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Katie that Justin blew that one.
Katie.
I can't talk anymore.
The next word you have to say is suck it.
Suck it.
Oh yeah! The next word you have to say is damn it.
Damn, bitch.
Damn it.
The next word you have to say and concludes the show will be like I like dick.
You like dick. I like dick.
I love me some dick.
Dick.
Good job. And that concludes the show today. Peace.
Peace, bitch. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?